I believe in LRO because it's helped us be more efficient, and not only has it helped us from a pricing perspective, but it's helped us improve our operations as well.
I believe in LRO because it's a company that's dynamic. I think they really truly take their customers' beliefs and needs into consideration as they're implementing the software. I've seen it over the course of the last 4 years where they've implemented new technologies based on customer feedback, and to me that's extremely important.
I believe in LRO because it works. I think it's a great program that offers the ability to meet our clients' needs. It really offers us flexibility. It allows training for our sites. We look at different aspects of the market, and our training, what our residents are doing on site, the leasing, and it brings all of that in place.
It's allowed us to focus on the revenue aspect of the business as opposed to occupancy. If we know our pricing is solid, it allows us to dive into operational issues in other areas so that we can fix them and continue to, outperform and have great revenue growth.
The greatest impact that LRO has had on our pricing strategy and our overall revenue goals has a lot to do with us creating a lot more efficiencies within our company. And just being able to hone in on where we can improve at specific properties, and then also overall as a company.
I would say the greatest impact, besides the revenue lift, which obviously is the main reason why one would utilize a revenue management system, it has been that it has realigned the thinking of our teams in terms of how you actually go about pricing units and maximizing revenue.
It's helped them believe in the product a lot more. They've seen what they can do, and outside of this, people never would have pushed the pricing. And with LRO, we've seen really great increases, and at some of our communities, we've seen $300 to $500 a month rent increases, which is just outstanding. And we're kind of going back and thinking about all the money we must have left on the table before LRO.
It's given us transparency in the leasing process, where we can really see what are those amenities that are associated with particular units, what is that value that's perceived out there in the marketplace, and it gives them a really great tool to sell those apartment homes when the prospects are coming into our communities.
I think our leasing teams have benefited most from, after we starting our pricing, in understanding how the pricing is what it is. That they're not, again, pulling the prices out of just a random box. They know why the pricing is there. They're not being priced emotionally. They're being priced based on supply and demand statistics and accurate forecasts, and not based on someone who had a bad day.
Really don't think that you can underscore the importance of having a system that can collect and output such large sets of data. Simply put, we're just able to do things that we couldn't have done just using manpower, giving different lease terms, different lease rates.
On average, the year-over-year revenue growth that we're seeing with LRO is 5% or greater.
So we're seeing great results above the normal increases in the market. It allows the operation team, the marketing team, the technology team, all to kind of work together in one central focus on how we're going to bring those properties and make them successful.